Hi everyone, welcome to the Just Add Spice Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're making a dairy-free Very Berry Lassi. A lassi is a yogurt-flavored drink that we pair with a lot of Indian dishes, and it's palate cleansing and just soothing at any season, any meal. You can pair this with. Normally people make a mango lassi, but today we're going to make a berry lassi with frozen mixed berries. As you can see, I'm pouring that into a really powerful blender so we can blend all this like a smoothie. I'm going to use, for yogurt, I'm going to use my coconut milk yogurt that's vanilla flavored. And also I'm going to kick up that flavor with a little bit of honey for added sweetness. We're going to add some vanilla extract for some added sweetness and rose water essence. So here I am adding some acacia honey, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of this. And this is a really quick and easy recipe. All you do is add all these ingredients to the blender and blend it smoothly. We're also adding some vanilla extract for that little added sweetness, tames down that yogurt tartness as well. And that rose water essence, as I mentioned earlier, it just gives it an added flavor profile and dimension to the Very Berry Lassi. This is dairy-free just because, you know, most yogurts have dairy and a lot of people can't do dairy in their diet, so dairy-free recipes are always a good way to substitute and still have the types of drinks and dishes that you like. Adding some cardamom here just to kick up that spice flavor, add it to a lot of Indian dishes, and we're blending that thoroughly with some almond milk or some coconut water, so that consistency can be maintained, that lassi consistency that everybody knows and loves. And now we're just going to chop some pistachios, and that's just for a garnish, so if you're not allergic, then please leave out the nuts. Pouring that into a tall glass, and as you can see, that thick consistency is what everyone likes, and sprinkling some pistachios on it as a garnish. If you are using it, it's optional. And just serve and enjoy. This is the quickest and easiest drink that you can make, and enjoy it at any time of the year. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to JustAddSpice.com, Instagram @JustAddSpice. See you next time.